Here's a detailed overview on how you can give your customers access to their membership products. What we're looking at is a member page on one of our client sites, but your customer's membership profile exists at your domain slash member, as you can see here. So then they'll be able to see their membership, their downloads, and their order history and other details. They can update their profile. And if they have any circles they're a part of, that will appear here as well. So when we look here, we see transformation journey membership and then a link for them to go see it. So I'm going to show you how you make sure this is all set up properly. So when you go into your website and you go under your store, this is one of the membership products, and it needs to be set as a membership, and then you choose your membership group. If you haven't made the group yet, then we go over to contacts, and on the left, you'll see all your membership groups. So we have the transformation journey group, which is for that product. And we also have basic members, and everyone has basic members. And when you look at it, you'll see there is a place to have a link to where they go after they sign in there. And that's under the group settings here. So basic members is everybody who registers at your site when they buy a product or if they do another action on your site, which turns them into a member. Everybody gets added into that. Here you probably, unless you have a certain page you want them to go to, you don't want to have a link here. So if I went here and we had a link here, it would have said basic members and the link to go to. So just leave that one alone. And then when you want people to go to specific pages, you're going to update the page here. So you could see here, we have it redirecting to a private coaching schedule, like that's to book an appointment or whatever page you want it to go to. It can go to a circle. It can go to a page on your site. It can even go to a page on another site. You would just open it up and it's the same way you set up all the links. And that's basically it. So as long as you have set up your store product to add them to a member group and you add a link right here, they will be sent to that link when they click the link under membership in their profile. I hope that's useful in getting your membership set up. If you have any questions, just let us know.